Are you starting new on social media? Have you just started a YouTube channel or just begun with Instagram or TikTok? Well, I am sure you might be really frustrated. Why is your social media not growing? Well, you are probably spending hours and hours refreshing your phone screen to see how many likes or views you are getting. Now, who else can understand that frustration? I have been through that. I know how that really feels. Social media has changed our lives forever. We were never so deeply connected online like we are today. For many of you, it's difficult to imagine a life without social media. I mean, for many of us, it's a source of motivation, making money and entertainment. Now, there are some people who rule the social media space. They are like these social media superstars with millions of followers. But how did they reach that milestone? I am sure you must be wondering that too. Will I ever reach that point in my life on social media? Well, the answer is yes and no. Now, yes, because it's 2019, it is certainly possible with the internet infrastructure that is constantly improving and reaching millions of new people every single day. It's easier than yesterday to reach your audience. Then why no? Well, it would be completely dependent on how you design your roadmap on social media. There are many mistakes the newbies on social media make much before then their social media really starts to accelerate. Now, if you want to know how to make it big on social media, there are some rules of engagement you need to follow. So I have a video for you on Skillopedia where I have given you 6 insights that would help you become a social media star in 2019. I have shared my personal insights that I have encountered here, of course, on social media, especially on YouTube. So do watch this video. You will find the link in the description below or at the end of this video. And I will see you at Skillopedia.